Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I'm going to show to you guys this online earning website where you earn some amount of USD for yourself every single day, guys. You don't need to deposit any single dime to this website. Once you have signed up successfully, you'll be given $10 as sign up bonus. Once you have signed up successfully, guys, I'll provide the link to this site in the description box of this video. All you need to do, just create an account and boom, you are good to go, guys. So I'm gonna go straight to the website now and show you guys how it goes, guys. So welcome to this website by name Boniban, guys. So you can see on my balance right here I have 26,918 naira, which is equivalent to $20, guys. Once you are signed up, you're given $10 sign up bonus. This $26,900 naira, I got it from what simple tax I performed here on this website. The site is so simple. All you have to do, just sign up an account, perform simple tax, and you can see withdrawal of some individuals. You can see it popping up right here. You will see it right here. You can see withdrawals of some individuals. So all you need to do is just follow me as I will explain how you earn this money here on this app. So basically here, how you earn is by sharing your referral link to individuals on different social media like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Messenger, email, status, and SMS. So how are you going to earn? All you have to do is copy your referral link. You see mine right here. You just copy your referral link and share it to your family and friends. And once an individual successfully registers using your link, you're going to be getting 6,779 naira, which is equivalent to $5. That is, every single individual you invite to this site, you get $5 for free. Absolutely for free. There's no stress. Just sign up an account, copy your referral link, share it to individuals on different social media, and you are going to be earning $5 for each individual you invite to this website. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. You can scroll down, you can see my earnings I got from referrals. I referred 2 individuals and I got 13,459 naira. So that is how it works. Clicking on the tax center here, you can see more tax which you can perform to earn here on this site. So clicking on that tax center right here, they will display some other tax you perform and earn. For this particular tax right here says you should follow them, so follow their social handle and you earn 2,619, which is equivalent to $2. So this one, you install the recommended app, that is this site app, you get $2. That is that. So here you visit their partner website, you get $2. You watch short video, you're going to be given $2. You play featured games, you given $2. You check in every day, you're going to get $2, guys. So this is the tax center right there. All you have to do, just perform those tasks and you'll be given those rewards for free. You don't need to deposit any single dime to this website. So clicking on this referrals right here, clicking on the referrals right there, you're gonna see my total referrals. I referred 2 individuals to this website, and you can see right here, these are my referrals right here. I got $5 for the first referral, the second referral $5. So all you have to do, just register an account and boom, you're good to go. Click here on the home page, you can see the home, the share, the tax, and the withdraw. So once you have performed all these tasks successfully and you want to withdraw, you just have to click where it says withdraw. So clicking on the withdraw right there, the withdrawal page will be loaded successfully, guys. So for you to withdraw, you can see here, everything here is so straightforward and simple. You can see I've performed 20% tax. And you can see the minimum threshold of withdrawal here is $100. Once you have earned up to $100, you're going to withdraw your earnings straight to your what? To your bank account or your wallet. So you can see how to withdraw. You can see perform tax, invite friends to make 134,519 naira, which is equivalent to $100 to withdraw effectively. So you can see, to do that, just click on invite friends, copy your referral link, share to them, and once this bar is full to 100, you are qualified to withdraw. So to withdraw, you can choose how you want to withdraw, whether it's automatic or manual withdraw. So for the automatic, is for you to just select the withdrawal method, whether it's using your money points, your OPay, your PalmPay, your Kuda, your Chipper, or all of that. There you can even withdraw with GoPay, Alipay, WeChat Pay, pay, and all of that. You can withdraw using cryptocurrency. You can scroll down, you can see you can withdraw using Tonecoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Troncoin, and all of that. So those are the preferred. You just have to choose your preferred draw. If it's OPay, you choose OPay. Then you enter the amount to withdraw, and you just enter your account name and your account number. You click on save automatic, and it will be saved successfully. And just scroll down here and click on withdraw now. But it's when you have reached the minimum withdrawal threshold, which you can see the minimum withdrawal threshold here is $100, which is equivalent to 134,519 naira. So, and I have not attained that amount right here. So all you have to do is just perform tax and you earn. So you can as well choose to set up your account manually by clicking on the manual bank. So here you can just enter your bank name, your account name, your account number, and save, and it will be saved successfully, guys. So I advise you guys, all you need to do is just sign up on this account. The tasks are very simple and stress-free. Just sign up, copy your referral link, and share to your family and friends. And once they register using your link successfully, you are going to be earning massively for referring them. Each referral $5. So what are you doing with your mobile phone and your data? You're wasting your data watching TikTok videos and all of that. Just register with this link and copy your referral link, share to your family and friends, and earn while you are operating your phone, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you guys. Stay safe.